511 is a brand that offers superior tactical apparel and gear for law enforcement, first responders, tactical operators, and recreational enthusiasts. Its tactical series continues to provide innovative products at exceptional prices to give operators the tools that they need for their difficult duties. That's why this brand is pretty popular among the professionals and also among the non-professionals who always encounter tactical missions. So, today we have come up with the top 10 best 511 tactical gears that you will love to know. Here we start with the number 10. The 511 Viking Tactics Operator X is designed by Kyle Lamb from Viking Tactics. This handy tool is featured with no-nonsense functionality and performance to the forefront. It's a many-in-one X, comes with 7mm thick SCM 425 stainless steel plate steel and a 21mm hammer, along with metric and standard hex drivers, a 1x4 driver, a sheet metal cutter, a pry end with a nail remover, and a 2-piece hard chip. This amazingly cool tomahawk is built with SCM 435 stainless steel with an adjustable carry angle. This Operator X comes with benefits featuring a dual hex bit, pry bar or nail puller, and notches for paracord wrap handle. Overall, you can use it to replace 24 tools. This tool is recommended for both the professionals and consumers who opt for handling the most demanding missions. It's time for introducing a flashlight from 511. Meet the 511 Rapid L1 flashlight, an ultra-portable flashlight built for everyday carry and lasting light. Compared to the previous version, it's more compact and upgraded to 210 lumens. The 511 Rapid L1 flashlight comes with water resistance, and this light will shine despite the rain or submerged in 3 feet of water. It features 3 mode settings to control the intensity of the light, and that also changes the distance and the lifetime according to the intensity. Its improved anodized grip and improved switch timing makes it easier to hold this flashlight in hand and use it in any serious situation. The 511 Rapid L1 flashlight is a portable yet powerful A.T.A.C light, remains always ready to respond in no time. .511 1.75-inch TDU build, a quick and convenient tactical or patrol build that excels in a wide range of environments. You can quickly convert into a secure tie-down or secondary carry strap. This belt is ergonomic, affordable, and highly functional. Its super strong nylon webbing has been triple stitched to maintain a great shape and keep the buckle securely in place. The nylon will hold its color through washings, heavy use, and exposure to the sun. Its low-profile, non-metallic buckle is extremely durable and won't set off metal detectors at airports in the courthouse. It makes great tie-down for securing gear when you've run out of tie-down options. If you are looking for a quality tactical belt at a great price, this TDU tactical belt with its non-metallic buckle is one for you. The ABR Pro Pant is an updated tactical pant from 511 that features a modern, straight fit, ideal for serving any tactical purpose. Its lightweight flex-light fabric ensures maximum performance and movement along with greater durability. It's made with 71% polyester and 29% cotton flex light ripstop fabric, which is highly durable and allows for extreme mobility in all situations. It has 9 pockets along with a redesigned rear pocket, which are more than enough to carry all of your everyday carry essentials. Like other tactical pants from 511, it also features Teflon finish for ultimate water, dirt, and stains resistance. Plus, it also comes with D-ring, internal knee pad, and fade-resistant tool strap. The ABR Pro Pant is perfect for any crucial missions and professional work as it is highly durable, providing extreme mobility. Now, we should like to introduce you with the quickest and safest level 2 holster in the world. It's the 511 THUMBDRIVE holster GLOCK 1722. Created in partnership with VTAC and field tested by Viking Tactics. It features a single thumb retention and release system, gives you a safe and natural release, and also helps prevent others from removing it during a weapon retention struggle. Its removable chop block switch guard provides added weapon retention characteristics. The 511 THUMBDRIVE holster GLOCK 1722 also features the THUMBDRIVE holster system, which allows completely user-defined placement, and it includes belt slide and paddle for added convenience. Its optional drop offset and side rig kits allow additional customization for maximum comfort, speed, and safety. The 511 THUMBDRIVE holster GLOCK 1722 is perfect for any tactical situation where every second counts. Now it's time to bring the 511 Karambit Knives in the list, a redesign of the popular 511 Cubmaster. This advanced tactical knife features a strengthened AUS-8 steel blade, triple height grip texturing for improved retention and control. World's renowned blade expert and instructor Steve Tarani built this rugged knife with high tactical advancement. It features a 1x8-inch thick, 2.87-inch long blade, a high-performance lockback mechanism, and a reversible pocket clip for multiple carry options. Its AUS-8 stainless blade with thumb hole pull and thumb ridge comes with black charcoal oxide finish. The black charcoal fiberglass reinforced nylon handles with triple height grip texturing and smooth divot indentures improve performance. If you are a collector or someone who wants a high-quality close-quarters combat weapon that will last a lifetime, then the 511 Karambit is a fine choice. Let's meet the Rush 72. Engineered to be a full-featured 72-hour bag that provides ample space for gear and accessories while remaining rugged and reliable enough for extended excursions or tactical deployments. This backpack is compatible with 511 tier system and the Rush tier rifle sleeve. Together, this pack features unmatched storage capability. It also features a wraparound mole and slick stick compatible weight platform, adjustable shoulder and sternum straps for ultimate comfort, and a 60-ounce hydration pocket is also there. Most importantly, it's durable and features water-resistant construction as it is built from high-strength, water-repellent 1050 nylon. The 511 Rush 72 backpack is built to be ready for anything, so it can be your companion in your bushcrafting journey and in any tactical mission. Let's get introduced with the 511 A.T.A.C 2.0 8-inch side zip boot, a boot worn by the world's leading public safety personnel. This pair of boots is lighter and more comfortable, yet maintains its reputation for toughness and durability. You will have cool, dry, and comfortable feel all day, thanks to its new airflow tongue and full-length dual durometer ortholite footbed. It also features the Achilles heel flex zone, gives a critical part of your foot more range of motion without compromising support. With its full-grain leather toe, 840D nylon upper and shock mitigation system, your feet will always be protected with ruggedness, while the knife pocket keeps an important ally within the reach. These are great boots for those who stand all day and need something like tactical boots, especially long shift workers, park rangers, cops, firefighters, and many more who spend time in tactical situations. The 511 VTAC LBE tactical vest is designed by world-famous tactical operator Kyle Lamb in partnership with Viking Tactics. It is engineered to excel in demanding operational environments and is built from stiffened mesh nylon that provides outstanding structure and resilience while remaining breathable. It is made from a stiffened mesh that provides the necessary structure for all of your gear, yet allows air in for ventilation and breathability. This tactical vest features hidden document pockets and compatibility with 511's VTAC slick stick pouches or standard mold gear. You'll find a grab on the interior of the vest, not visible to an outsider. It also comes with a hydration pocket, which is also located on the interior of the back of the vest. If you're looking for a load-bearing vest designed for special operations and tactical situations, then this one would be a great pick. We are here to present the 511 MULTICAM TACTEC plate carrier. Designed to be the most lightweight and best-fitting plate carriers you can find and constructed to ensure high performance while remaining lightweight and mobile. This plate carrier is made from an ultra-durable, water-resistant 500D nylon that gives the wearer an increased range of motion with a lightweight feel and optimal breathability. It can hold medium and large ballistic plates front and back without the restrictive bulkiness. The 511 MULTICAM TACTEC plate carrier features yoke shoulder pads, work to reduce friction, and its adjustable tensional bands improve stability, and innovative airflow channels and aerospace mesh ensure sustained comfort. It weighs 2.5 pounds on its own. The 511 MULTICAM TACTEC plate carrier is good enough for your training and tactical mission. So that was all about the top 10 best 511 tactical gears for outdoor. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.